to delete documents from files on iPhone or iPad. First, find the Files app on your home screen or in your app library and tap to open it. In the Files app, click on Browse to access your mobile storage locations like on My iPhone or iCloud Drive to find the folder where your documents are stored. To delete a single document, simply tap and hold on the document until options appear. Tap Delete to remove it. To delete multiple documents, tap on 3 dots at top and click on Select. Then tap on all the documents you want to delete. After selecting the documents, tap the trash icon or delete option. To permanently remove the documents, go back to the main Browse screen, tap on Recently Deleted. There you find all your deleted files. Click on 3 dots at top, then click on Select. After that, select all the files and tap on Delete to clear them out. And that's it.